Just like you see, it was a beehive of activities the whole entire day, guys. It was a big day. It was a big day for these kids, Just getting to be visited, man, guys. You can feel so good. You can feel so happy. You can feel you have a belonging here and there. Yes. And of course, we won't forget the kids that came to see their siblings, like this one here and the other and there. Guys, they were so happy. They were so happy to visit their siblings. So we had so much to do, checking of results, checking of, Hey, that's the day you can get to see your parent react to your academic performance. Yeah, students are over there. You can see the uniform. They're quite very smart in their gray and white shirts. Yes, then here me with my other colleagues who are parents also in the school. It was nice meeting them.
Are you taking us? We are from visiting our kids.
Because I remember that feeling from school.
How old are they?
It was a beautiful feeling.
Which class? Senior 5.
The kind of feeling.
So we're from visiting.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what else? When are we flying abroad? Tomorrow, but one.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. We were walking in and walking out. Then I was of course, to set everything, to find everything.
These are co-ed hours of school.
So that they will be able to continue in the next half of the time with their exams, can see parents and also parents catching up with each other. In evening sessions, it was a time, it was a big time for the students to do this. Yes, in the background there we can see the administration block, and of course so many cars parked around. People have come with families to check on their kids. Hey, you. Guys, when I was in school, I had to be visited by my dad because he's coming to visit you. He's not gonna come.
You want?
He's gonna come. I was so quiet. Yes, we were so safe. Students walking around. That was it. I can see some parents are still searching for their kids, calling the school teachers to ask where the kids, because man, guys, this is a really big school. It's the biggest school that I've not seen in the entire Africa. Yes. It's a huge school. Little. That thing is getting done, and we're winding up while other kids who had already got visited have to go down to do some exercise and sports activities, football. Yes. By the way, boys love football, and the school really provided them with a huge field where they can play football from. Yes, and it was time for us to pack about. Hey, what is it that we're hurrying and we're leaving our hearts behind? So we decide to be the last to leave the school. Hey. Come on, guys. Look at it. She's walking around. Yes, going to catch up with again a few colleagues of hers as we are winding up with the visitation day. One of the biggest days that every student look up to when they're at school is the visitation. We normally call it VD. VD. Yes, so let me just take you around. Those were the temporal toilets. Of course, that's a big tent where we sat. The school generator is over there, and of course, what is it not about when you don't have dustbins? Because we're gonna eat a lot. Parents have carried a lot of food. We normally used to call it doof. Yes, that is it. Of course, that is it. That I know I was the head teacher of the school that he was telling us to get off going. And of course you won't miss out to see the speaker of the Uganda Parliament over there. And then we get going. YouTubers. School head teacher is telling everybody to shut down so that they can go and do other activities. Even us now, we are leaving. We are getting on our feet to leave. Yes, we are now living. It's because we're living, but with memories and memories. Visitation day is like a day to have memories, of course. So even when you grow up, you have those memories. So let's get going. Let's get going.
I'll be that after new house. For this day, what about cleaning? Senior ones, that's your one. Senior one, you can suffer in the school. The school is not fenced. Intruders come.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave it till empty. Got it all back by myself, no nobody can tempt me. If I better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure. Lessons after lessons, had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only with solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave it. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refreshed love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, but even when broke, that's what you make up. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own.
As those that will be the last. Hey, another banger, guys. Kindly subscribe if you're already subscribed, guys. Subscribe, and if you got 1,000 subscribers, that's the road to go right now. Yes, and I appreciate whoever has subscribed already. Thank you for supporting my work. And then those who are yet to subscribe, I think you're already in advance. Kindly subscribe. That's the charge and the admin blog. And finally, we are at the gate. That's a mega gate in the night. They will swiftly go to our hometown. Hey. St. Teresa, this way.
This one is for there are so many schools, I think, here.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never